Welcome back. From our last video, we talked about methods that prevent corrosion, but most of these methods are too complicated to use in our day-to-day life. Today, we are talking about some simple methods to prevent corrosion and keep your items in great shape. Let's dive into some daily habits that help. Keep things dry. Moisture is the number one enemy when it comes to corrosion. Whether it's water from rain, spills, or even humidity, keeping things dry is essential. On a daily basis, make sure to dry off any metal surfaces after they get wet. Wipe down kitchen tools and even your car if it's been out in the rain. In humid areas, consider using a dehumidifier to reduce moisture in the air, especially in places like garages or basements where metal items are stored. Clean regularly. Dirt and grime can trap moisture and chemicals that accelerate corrosion. That's why regular cleaning is key. For daily maintenance, wipe down metal surfaces with a damp cloth and mild soap to remove any dirt or grime. Be sure to dry them thoroughly afterwards. This simple habit can make a big difference, whether it's cleaning your car, tool, or outside furniture. Apply protective coatings. Another effective way to prevent corrosion is by applying protective coatings. These create a barrier between the metal and the environment. On a daily basis, check your items to see if they need a touch-up. For example, car wax can protect your vehicle paint and metal parts from rust. You can also use specialized sprays for tools and outdoor metal furniture to keep them protected from moisture. Store items properly. Where and how you store your metal items can greatly affect their longevity. Proper storage is key to prevent corrosion. On a daily basis, make sure metal items are stored in a dry, cool place. Avoid leaving tools, bikes, or outdoor furniture exposed to elements. If possible, store them indoors or under a cover. For a smaller item, use an airtight container or a Ziploc bag to keep out moisture. Watch for signs of corrosion. Even with best prevention, corrosion can still happen. That's why it's important to keep an eye out for early signs. On a daily basis, take a quick look at your metal items for any signs of rust or discolor. If you spot any, address it right away. Use a rust remover or a simple mixture of baking soda and water to scrub away rust from before it spreads. Use corrosion inhibitors. Corrosion inhibitors are chemicals that can slow down or prevent corrosion. They are especially useful in areas where corrosion is more likely to occur. For daily prevention, consider using corrosion inhibitors on items that are frequently exposed to moisture or harsh conditions. You can find sprays or treatments that are easy to apply, especially for your car, tools, and outdoor equipment. Preventing corrosion doesn't have to be difficult. By keeping things dry, cleaning regularly, applying protective coatings, storing items properly, watching out for early signs, and using corrosion inhibitors, you can keep your metal items in great shape on daily basis. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos about materials, engineering, and sustainability. See you next time.